I'm pretty sure you guys know what time it is, so let's just roll the intro. Hey guys, also, I just wanted to say, sorry the time-lapse wasn't the greatest. I was kind of pressed for time, and I had to redo a couple things, so I ended up focusing more on the actual job than filming it, which I guess is probably a good thing, but the footage also kind of suffered, so for that, I'm sorry. Hopefully the B-roll makes up for it. So yeah, enjoy. So here we have the newest build I've completed, and as you'll see, there's a custom water loop in it. So the customer originally contacted me stating that she needed a new work PC. Her current one is kind of loud, the fans are a little bit noisy, some of the bearings grind, one of the fans are intermittent, and she's had the same PC for several years now, and she's just ready for a performance upgrade. So she mentioned to me that two of her biggest concerns are aesthetics and silence. This PC is meant to be seen and not heard. So the best way to do that, obviously, is a custom water loop. With this being a workstation PC, this has a Ryzen 2600 in it, overclocked to 3.9 gigahertz across all cores. It has a 970 EVO for storage, NVMe M.2. It's using a GTX 960, but this is not designed to game on. This is simply because I had overstock and it's used for display output. Now, if she wanted to play games on it, she probably could, seeing as she uses 60 Hz 1080p monitors, and it would actually do alright. I took a chance on quite a number of new parts that I'm not super familiar with, and one of the brands of a lot of these parts is XSPC. Now, XSPC really caters to the water cooling community in a number of ways. Most of their products actually being geared towards custom water cooling. In this build, I used their 10mm inside diameter, 14 outside tubing. I used their black chrome compression fittings, and I used one of their radiators. And I believe there's an RGB hub in there as well. This company makes some really awesome stuff. Their parts are noticeably less expensive than their competitors, and they have incredible build quality in all of their parts. Their fittings are super nice. The finishes look great on the black chrome compression fittings. The finishes are actually pretty tough too. There was a time or two where I had to use pliers to try and secure the fittings, and it didn't lose any of the finish on the fitting at all. So if you liked the video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. If you didn't like it, go ahead and hit the thumbs down button. If you want to see more of our content, hit subscribe so you are sure not to miss anything in the future. And we hope to see you next time.